Good morning dear students, welcome back in the next video of chemistry. Students, for second unit test you have two chapters in your syllabus. The chapters are chapter number 4 atoms, molecule and radicals, and chapter number 5 that is a language of chemistry. So you have to prepare both the chapters for the examination. So students, today we will discuss the chapter number 4 atoms, molecule and radicals. Students, you already know that all the matters are made up of tiny particles that are called molecules, and which in turns are made up of atoms. So generally the atoms are the building block of matter, means atoms constitute the matters. Now we know that atoms forms molecules and often another kind of entity is called the radicals. So in this chapter we will discuss about atoms, molecules and the radicals. First of all, we will discuss atoms and molecules. Students, in the junior classes you have already studied about atoms and molecules. What are atoms? An atom is the smallest part of an element that take part in the chemical reaction. So atom is the smallest part of an element which take part in the chemical reaction. And you know that if we keep dividing a given mass of an element, means if we kept on dividing the element, finally we will get an indivisible part. So atom is that indivisible part which cannot be divided further. Such an indivisible part is called the atom. So now you can differentiate what is atom. When we continuously dividing an element, at the end we will get an indivisible part which is known as the atom. So atom is the smallest part of an element that take part in the chemical reaction. And thus the properties of element depend upon the atom constituting the element. So the property of that particular element is depend upon the atom which make that element. Now come to the valency. What is valency? Now students, you will learn about the basic concepts of the chemistry which will help you in the higher classes or later years. So what is valency? The combining capacity of element is called the valency. Means how two elements or three elements combine together. The combining capacity of an element with other element is known as the valency. So now we will discuss about the valency. The valency of hydrogen considered to be 1. You know that periodic table. In periodic table, hydrogen is the first element which have the valency considered to be 1. Therefore, the valency of element is given by the number of hydrogen atom that combine with one atom of the element. It is also given by the number of hydrogen atom that an atom of an element replaces in the compound. For example, this is hydrogen, so its valency is 1. Here in this table also you are going to learn about the valencies of common elements. So students, see, here one example is given. If one atom of chlorine combined with one atom of hydrogen, so the valency of the chlorine become 1 because the valency of the hydrogen is 1. See, if chlorine combined with the hydrogen have the valency 1, so valency of the chlorine become the 1. On the other hand, if the atom of zinc displaces 2 atoms of hydrogen, means hydrogen has 2 atoms, then the valency of the zinc become the 2. Means if one valency of hydrogen is there, so the element become the valency with 1, and if hydrogen have or displaces 2 atoms of the hydrogen, so the valency of that particular element become 2. So now you got it. If it displaces 1 atom, so the element become 1, and if it displaces 2 atoms from the hydrogen, it become the valency 2. Now valency is further divided into 3: monovalent, divalent or the trivalent, and as so on. Now student, valencies are depend on their atoms. So monovalent means whose valency is 1. Divalent or bivalent means whose valency is 2. Trivalent means whose valency is 3, and so on. For example, 4 means tetravalent. So here in the table you can see the monovalent elements are hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, sodium and potassium. When we talk about the divalent or the bivalent, means having 2 valencies, they are oxygen, sulfur, magnesium, calcium and zinc. When we talk about the trivalent, means whose valency is 3, they are nitrogen and ammonium. And when we talk about the valency of 4, we consider carbon dioxide and silicon. So these are the valency. Now you can differentiate what is atom, what is valency. Valency means the combining capacity of an atom.